Well, as we work our way through that lunchtime hour, again, temperature is finally back above freezing and going to tack on a few more as we get into the next couple of hours, especially out west, that Highway 65 corridor. Seeing some slightly stronger winds, a little bit more of a breeze will help us carry those temperatures just a few degrees further. But again, by and large, we'll top out in the mid to upper 40s today. And if you like the seasonal weather, you may want to get out and enjoy it while it's still here. It's going to get replaced by some mild weather going forward. That shopping forecast, though, really not too bad as we get into this afternoon and evening. What's going to happen, though, going forward? High pressure is going to retreat off toward the south and east, and we kind of get locked into some southerly winds going forward all the way into Friday. That's going to be turning those temperatures back into the 60-degree ones that we saw the last couple of weeks. So, again, well above average, goes without saying. That's been kind of what we've been tracking for most of the month of December, so it's only fitting that that's how this thing comes to an end, or it looks like it's coming to an end. Even as we get into the holiday weekend, Christmas itself, looking like we're in the low 60s. It's going to be fairly breezy on the backside of a system, another dry one, but one nonetheless that we're tracking Christmas Eve into the very early morning hours of Christmas itself. So that's going to kick up some of those winds just a little bit more, kind of like what we're going to see into the next couple of days. They should back off just a bit more by Sunday, but that's where things start to get a little more interesting. We're seeing some signs that a bit of an active pattern might start to take shape into next week. Could be as early as Sunday, so stay with us on that forecast, especially if you're going to be traveling out of the viewing area and trying to come back on Sunday. Might run into a few raindrops out there, but the details just a little bit murky right now, and that has to do with just what setup we're going to be dealing with. Not going to have a whole lot of time to really get a good handle on some of these systems before they're pretty much on our doorstep. But there are a couple of opportunities, and the Climate Prediction Center, folks, again, that's 6 to 10 day. A lot of times we talk about the temperature outlook. That's probably what you're used to seeing. Well, they have a precipitation outlook as well, and that one's looking a little bit wet, or at least above average. So we'll take that because we've been just about bone dry, it feels like, for the last 30 days. Those rain chances, again, there they are on Sunday. They're not great right now. We just don't know as we get on the other side of Christmas, for that matter, into next week. Really just about any day we could probably feasibly put in some rain chances. But we'll try to hammer out some of those details as we go forward. Again, just have the know where the umbrella is as we head off back to work next week.